Yo, what's good, people? It's me, Gang Trippy. Before we get started today, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that button and make it go ding. That way you're getting all the notification and updates to what's going on the channel. Today, we're going to be making the Bowser Shell Rug with the spikes on it. You see it right there, the Bowser Shell with the spikes on it. Gonna hit it off with the blue, give it some white, cream, and black, and it should be pretty wavy. So just sit back, get your popcorn, get your little thing if that's what you into, get your little drink, your refreshments, and we're gonna go ahead and give you a little preview of how a rug is made. So this is the gun. You gotta have this if you're gonna make a rug. Like, this is my favorite thing. I got two of them guys. And the glue, need this glue for the backing, however you're gonna put it up. Also need these pull the yarn through the gun. It's very vital. You need these. Don't be sleep. And a vacuum, you want to stay clean. Cleanliness next to godliness, y'all know that. Anyway, this me putting a little word. You see it. We started with the blue. Let y'all sit back and watch. I ain't gonna tell y'all everything. A little ASMR. Another thing I learned along the way is I use 3 strings. 3 strings make it a lot fatter and thicker. I started out using 2. A lot of people don't really tell you what they use. It's like a big secret in the community. Hopefully I'm not breaking any codes or anything. I'm just here to let y'all know what I know. Hey, if they get mad, you know, Gang Trippy, man. The white took the longest, oh goodness. But you know, you gotta do it right. Get it, here it go, it looking a little thin. Gotta add the cream. Let y'all see how the cream looks. Give y'all the reverse view. Yep, let y'all see what I don't get to see. Add in a little black. The outlines bring it all together that you, yeah, that's a shell. Once you see the outline, you're like, oh, okay, I know what that is. Everybody in the house was like, I know what that is. They knew what it was from the beginning, but as you start putting it together, it starts losing its shape and you can't really tell. It just looks like blobs. But that black, most times I do the black first. Here, I did it second for the video. Next video, I'll probably do the outline first so y'all can see that. I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos, so not really a tutorial or anything like that. I'm just showing you guys what I do in my day and letting you know that anybody can do this. I learned this in like 2 weeks. This is not my second or third rug. This is like my 12th rug, but you get what I'm saying. This is my first time vlogging it, so anybody can do this. Here's what it looks like after it's all colored out. It's pretty dope. You know, I gotta get cleaned up. You gotta get a little clean. So here I am. I'm gonna cut it down, clean it up first. This is my last chance to, if I made any mistakes, this is where I could fix it. If I needed to take a color out, I could still take it out here and punch in something else. But to me, it looks good. I clean it up a little. It's going on the wall. That's a spoiler. It's going on the wall. So I didn't really clean it up as best as I would as if it was going on the floor. I still want to have a rugged look. And this is where I'm doing the backing. Adding in that glue. That's 6700. I don't really remember what it is about the 6700. Like I said, there's millions of videos out there letting you know if you want to get into something like this, and they explain it. But I know I tried a bunch of them, and the 6700 is the one that works for me. It works the best dry time. It's not too stiff, not too flimsy at the end, and it could pretty much apply to anything. I don't really use any spray things like that because I got a baby. He might want to touch it. The glue, I could put it in the trunk of my car and I don't have to worry about it exploding. And then you just cut it down. Here I go, cutting it down. Get it flat. Make sure you, if I wasn't recording, I would have probably took a little more detail, but I just wanted to show you guys the experience. I kind of did it, I wouldn't say in a rush, but I didn't take as much time as I normally do. And you see how I have the flaps a little long? I would kind of make them shorter. That makes it, when you put in the backing in, it doesn't really show much on the other side. And the backing I use is what's on the ground that you see there. I get that from Home Depot. A lot of people use felt, but this is more sturdy for the floor, and it looks a lot better. It looks like a professional rug. You just don't go all the way to the edges. Make sure you do the waterfall like you see me do on the other clip. And me cleaning it up, this is when the work really starts. Everything else is pretty easy. The cleanup is where the work begins. So I went ahead and did the white first, just so you guys could see. A lot of things I did here was more for the vlog, so you could see what's going on. But normally I would probably start with the black, flatten down the black, and then have everything like bounce next to it. Like I said, for vlog purposes, I went ahead and just did this kind of quick. Even the shell, I really want to do a Sonic, maybe a character, maybe something else, but this fit the space in the back that I needed for when I'm vlogging and people could see it and stuff like that. So that's kind of lit. And here it is finished. That's the finished rug, man. See it? Gang Trip.